When a commercial dryer breaks down, your business feels it immediately. Lost revenue, unhappy customers, and delays. That's why commercial dryer repair in Austin, TX, is essential. ProStar Appliance Repair helps laundromats, hotels, apartments, and gyms restore dryer performance fast and professionally. We repair gas and electric commercial dryers, including stackable, multi-load, and industrial dryer systems. From emergency breakdowns to scheduled industrial dryer maintenance, our technicians keep your equipment running efficiently. We fix the most common issues businesses face: dryers not heating, overheating, long drying cycles, drum and motor problems, airflow restrictions, control board errors, and gas ignition or ventilation failures. Our goal is quick diagnosis and long-lasting repairs. For laundromats, even one broken machine means lost income. We specialize in coin-op dryer repair in Austin, including coin mechanisms, payment modules, timers, control panels, and safety sensors, servicing both older and modern machines. Commercial dryers are critical for laundromats, hotels, apartment complexes, and businesses across Austin, TX. When a dryer breaks down, it can disrupt operations and impact revenue.